Hi guys, I welcome you guys back to SM EduHub, and today in this video, as you guys can see, I'm going to show you guys how to make audio spectrums like this, or you can customize yourself and make better audio spectrums like this completely for free and no watermarks. So let's head straight into the video. Okay guys, so first open Google Chrome. After you open Google Chrome, search musicvid.org. So after you go to the website, I will definitely leave the link in the description. Press get started or just scroll down. So no accounts needed. You don't have to sign in to create one, but to like export it, you should sign in from here. But I already signed in, so it shows sign out. So here when you press get started, it will show a featured project. So here uh, you can see many projects that you can edit. So I'm going to show you guys how to edit the circle spectrum today because it's like the most popular. So I click circle spectrum. So after you go here, load audio, this will uh, show, and you can either use a sample file as your audio file, or you can load a file from your computer. So I'm going to press load file from computer. So then the file explorer will open, and I'm going to choose this song that I have saved. So after I press open, you can see it has um, come, and here you can see there's background and stuff, and if you uh, press play, it will play. So I'm going to decrease the sound. So here you guys can see it is playing. So now these are the quick settings. You can change the background, particle, spectrum, emblem. So first let's talk about the background. So you can go to background and you can change the X position, Y position and stuff. Even the scale you can change, and the mirroring. You can mirror the whole image, the left half or the right half, or you can stay without mirroring anything. So I'm going to keep left half. So and you can change the opacity and stuff. I'm going to keep opacity 1, and here brightness reactiveness, I'm not going to change that. And if you want to change the background, you just have to press change background image. After press that, it will show load file from computer. So press that, and here I'm going to choose this image and press open. So here now the background is there, and you can select the mirror, where should you mirror. I'm going to do let's see, I'm going to do left half. And if you want to minimize this, just press background again. And now before we talk about the particles, let's talk about the spectrum. So press spectrum to open the settings. So here you guys can see the start this like place, but first I will show you guys the scale and the glow. So from the scale you can change the size of the spectrum. So I'm going to keep it at this size, and the glow I am going to max the glow. So then you can even change the XY position, but I'm going to keep this because it fits as the most like in the middle. So then you can like change the smoothing and the height scale, and here you can see spectrum start and spectrum end. So I am going to first choose the spectrum size. So if you want to change the line width, you should use the spectrum type stroke, and I'm going to keep the line with around 13, I guess. Yeah, we can like view how it looks by just playing. So now I'm going to change the spectrum start to around 40. So I'm showing you guys the settings that I use personally. So you can customize it how you want, and the spectrum band I'm going to do about 450 or 60. And now let's play it and see. Okay, so you guys can see it's shown like this. So if you want, you can change it how it looks and stuff. So I'm gonna keep it like this for now. um uh, Next, let's talk about the emblem. So from the emblem, you just can like change the spectrum, the logo of the spectrum, and circle color. So I'm going to keep the color white, and the circle scale I'm not going to change anything. Reactiveness also I'm not going to change, and even the image scale or alpha I'm not going to change. And but I'm going to change the image. So press change the image. After you press it, you can select any file from your computer. So I'm going to press file from your computer, and I'm going to choose this logo, and I'm going to open. So now you can see the logo is here, not the like the other one. So now let's close emblem, and now let's talk about particles. So personally I don't like a lot of particles, so I'm going to change the number of particles to 500, like 400 or 300. And let's actually do 350 exactly. Oops. Okay, so now the color is I'm going to keep the same, and the speed I'm going to like you can play it, and you can see the speed you can change. But I'm for this I'm going to choose this, and I'm going to change the size a little bit bigger. I'm going to make them. So after you do that, the quick settings are done. From audio you don't have much stuff, so basically after I do those stuff, I just like go to this, and you can select the resolution. I'm going to keep the I'm going to change it to 1920 by 1080, or you can keep it to 28 1280 by 720. So I'm going to keep that resolution. And um, now I'm going to go to export, and you can change the file name. Like I'm going to do let's do um, testing underscore no let's do like testing underscore spectrum. And from here, I'm not going to change any more settings, but you can change settings even in quick settings. You don't have to do what I did. You can change it as your personal favorite. So now I'm going to press start encoding. So after you do start encoding, this notice will come, and now I'm going to press export. So um, it will start exporting, and it will show time. So it looks like it will take some time. So I will see you guys after it's done exporting. Okay guys, it is done exporting. So here you will see it telling click here to download. If the download didn't start automatically, so my download didn't start automatically, so I'm going to press here, and now you can see it just downloaded. So I'm going to do show in folder. So it was in my downloads, so I'm going to open it. So guys, here you guys can see this is the final result of the audio spectrum that was created by the website. So you guys can customize this as you want, and this is not like this is completely free, so no payments. So you just need to sign in from your Google account to export it. That's it. So no payments, no watermarks, it's completely free. So it's really great, because otherwise you will have to pay to make this in website. So you will have to do the hard way using Premiere Pro or the editing software. So this is a easier way. So I will leave the link in the description. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.